Alright guys, we're talking some more today about the number 9. We're going to be counting and writing to 9. So you need to get this paper out of your packet and get your name on the top. Alright, I want you to put your finger on the first blue cube and we're going to touch and count these together. Is everybody ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 blue cubes. We're going to trace this row of 9s. To make a 9, you make a hoop and then a line. When you're done with that row of 9s, put your finger on the first duck. We're going to touch and count these rubber ducks together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This is the number word 9. N-I-N-E. Let's trace that word 9. And when you're done with that, you can open up to the inside, the page that looks like this. We're going to be looking in this picture for sets of 9 objects. So I'm going to find one with you, and then you're going to find the other sets of 9 objects on your own, okay? I think there might be 9 teddy bears. Let's count and see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There are 9 teddy bears, so I'm going to circle those teddy bears. Now there are some other sets of 9 objects in this picture, so I want you to look and see if you can find the other sets of 9 objects and circle them. When you're done with that, you can flip over to this page. Put your finger on the yellow sun. What number is that? 9. Let's trace that row of 9s again. You make a hoop and then a line. All right, after you get that row of 9s traced, we're going to come down and we're going to count these sets of tickets. I'm going to do the first one with you, and then you're going to count and write the other 3 sets on your own. Let's look at this green leaf and let's count these orange tickets together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So we're going to make a 9 on the line, make a hoop, and then a line. All right, I want you to count the pink, green, and purple tickets on your own. Count them carefully and write the number that tells how many. Then on the back, you're going to circle the set of 9 teddy bears. And down here, I want you to draw me your own set of 9 somethings and write a 9 for me. So a set of 9, whatever you want to draw, but 9 of them, and write a 9 on the line. I will talk to you later.